أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم في هذا الدرس الجديد عن اسم المكان. Hello and welcome to this new lessons on the name of place in Arabic. في هذا الدرس نتعلم 3 patterns for names of place or اسم المكان and the broken plural pattern for names of place. اسم مكان. What's that? We will see 3 patterns for اسم المكان. مفعل, مفعل, مفعلة, and the broken plural pattern مفاعل. 1. مفعل. مثال: مكتب, office, the place where I write. مصنع, factory, the place where I manufacture. ملعب, stadium, the place where I play. A variation on this is مفعل with a كسرة on the second root letter. مثال: مسجد, mosque, the place where I pray. مغرب, Morocco, the place where the sun goes down. That's beautiful, isn't it? مشرق is the Mashriq or the Levant. Those are Arabic countries in the eastern part of the Arabic world. A third pattern is مفعلة with an added ta marbuta. مدرسة, school, or the place where I study. مكتبة, library, the place of books. مملكة, kingdom, the place of the Malik, the king. Now a little quiz for you. Can you make the name of place using the pattern مفعل? And guess what that word means? مثال: كلمة خبز يعني bread. What would the name of place be and what would it mean? مخبز يعني bakery, the place of the bread. مثال 2. طعام يعني food. Try to make the name of place of طعام. ممتاز. مطعم. مطعم يعني restaurant, the place of food. يسكن يعني he lives. ما هو اسم المكان؟ مسكن. ممتاز. مسكن يعني the place of residence or your home. Almost all these names of place follow the same broken plural pattern, مفاعل. مكتب becomes مكاتب. مدرسة, مدارس. مطعم, مطاعم. في هذا الدرس تعلمت 3 patterns for names of place, اسم المكان, مفعل, مفعل, and مفعلة. And you've learned that they all follow the same broken plural pattern, مفاعل. شكرا على انتباهكم وإلى اللقاء إن شاء الله في درس جديد. Thank you for your attention and see you again إن شاء الله in a new lesson.